Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to pause all Meta AI notifications for a few hours? You can stop notifications for up to 8 hours in just a few simple steps. This is useful when you need quiet time, want fewer distractions, or do not want alerts during work, study, meetings, or sleep. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down and tap notifications. Here, you will find the option Pause All. Turn it on. A pop-up will appear with different time options. You can choose from 1 hour, 2 hours, up to 8 hours. Select the time you want. Once selected, Meta AI will pause all notifications for that period. After the selected time ends, notifications will return automatically. This helps you stay focused without turning notifications off permanently. And that's how to pause all Meta AI notifications for up to 8 hours on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.